Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Android phone not charging by following these steps. So let's get started. Very first thing when it comes to charging your Android phone or any phone, right? You want to make sure your charger is actually not broken and is actually working. Sometimes the cables, they go bad. Sometimes the block goes bad. So you want to make sure that it works. Try with a different one if you can. And if it works, that means your cable might be defective. You may need to check. So just check it out. Try a different outlet port as well. Now you can also try to do wireless charging. So most Android phones or newer ones, you can just put on a wireless pad and they should charge as well. So that way, you know, it's not the charge port. Sometimes the charge port itself, you want to check if there's dust, lint, dirt build up with the flashlight. And if it is, you want to go ahead and gently clean it out, because when you try to plug it in and it doesn't read it, it's not going to charge correctly. So most of the time the issues are your charger cable, or basically there's dust that can't make the connections and there's an issue with that. And then try the wireless charging. Now let's say you did this basic troubleshooting. The next thing you're going to go ahead and do is basically check that you're charging correctly. So in your setting, you can go ahead into your battery, and in the battery section you should see an option for charging settings. In the charging setting, I usually like to turn these on and off if you have the fast charging. So if you have it already on, you would turn it off, and then if you have it off, turn it on and off. So that way it kind of resyncs the battery as well. Now additionally, you also want to make sure that your battery health is good. So if you're noticing there's an issue with your battery health, you may want to consider eventually replacing it, but that could also be an issue. As you can see, you can check the battery status. Currently, of course, I'm not charging, so when you connect it in, you can see if it's charging or not. See, this will give you the indicator. Now along with that, the next thing to do is a simple restart. So you can pull down the top menu, the power icon to restart, or you can use the volume down or the side button and then restart that way as well. A simple restart will fix any issue. Sometimes it happens. Now another thing when it comes to your phone is that if you recently had moisture or it got wet, you want to dry it completely. Give it a couple hours to really dry before trying to charge, because sometimes if it's a little bit moist or there's a little wetness and you're trying to charge, it might not charge correctly, and happens time to time, especially if you accidentally got water or any liquid on it. Now the next thing you're going to go ahead and do if you're still having issues is just going updating your phone software. So in your setting, you're going to go open up your setting, and from the main settings here, you're going to look for the software update setting, and then check for new update and check if there is an update available. If there is, you're going to go ahead and up to date. Sometimes you may have multiple updates, so keep on checking here until it says your software is up to date. Now if you're still having the issue, the next thing you want to go ahead and do is basically boot in safe mode. So you want to pull down and click on the power, or use the volume and side button, and in the power off, you're going to press and hold. It's going to say safe mode. You're going to tap on it to enter safe mode. And once you enter safe mode, you're going to go ahead and try to charge it in that safe mode. Safe mode basically boots off the phone in a way where its functionalities are very limited, helps troubleshoot any issues. And when you do go ahead in safe mode, one of the things you also want to check is if you installed any apps recently that may be causing issues with the phone. Could be a malware, virus impacting it. It happens. You want to go ahead and remove those apps when you're in this safe mode basically. So here I'm entering a safe mode against the safe mode here. Go ahead and start trying to charge with your cable or your wireless charger, and then review the list of apps. Usually if you open up your app drawer, you'll see a bunch of apps. They're disabled right now, right? If you recently downloaded an app or see an app that you don't remember downloading, you're just going to press and hold and then basically remove them and uninstall them. That way you want to make sure it's not the issue. And to get out of safe mode, you just simply restart your phone by putting that top down and just do a restart, or use a volume down button, and it's going to go back to your normal mode. And hopefully after doing this, your phone is charging again. Now if it isn't charging, it could possibly be a hardware issue with a faulty charging port, wear out battery, or damage to your charging IC or motherboard. In that case, you'll have to take it to a place where they actually repair it. In any case, I hope this video was helpful, so please consider the like and subscribe button, and thanks for watching.